Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today, we're going to cover rational equations, okay? So, the objective for today is obviously solve rational equations, okay? Know how to solve them. So, we have one here on the board already, okay? We have 9 over 10 plus 2 over x plus 1 equals 2/5. Okay, it looks kind of complicated. It's really not. All we're going to do is we're going to take it apart in pieces. Okay, notice that we're going to try to cancel out the bottom. Okay, the way we're going to do it is we're going to multiply. Okay, in order to get rid of it, we're going to multiply times 10. Okay, here, here, and here. Okay, times 10. Notice that we already have two tens here. They cancel out. But wait, we still have a 10 here and a 10 here. Okay, so 2, we look at it as 9 plus 2 times 10 over x plus 1 equals 2 times 10 over 5. Okay, notice I only did the tops. Okay, these ones cancel out, so it's just 9. Now we're going to actually solve for it. Okay, for the first piece, since 9 is just 9, it stays the same. Okay, so we have 9 plus 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, over x plus 1. Okay, equals 2 times 10 is 20 again over 5. Okay, which technically 5 can go into 20 4 times. So it would come out to 9 plus 20 over x plus 1 equals 4. Okay, notice that we're almost done. Okay, again, now this time we're going to get rid of x plus 1. Okay, again, we're going to multiply everything by x plus 1. So 9 becomes 9 times x plus 1, okay, plus just 20, okay, because we cancel out x plus 1 here, equals 4 times x plus 1. Okay, because remember, we multiply everything by x plus 1. Now we have nothing on the bottom. That was the whole very first step. Okay, try to get rid of everything on the bottom. Now that we have that, we can actually distribute 9 times x, 9 times 1. So 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 1 is plus 9 plus 20 equals, again, we distribute again. Okay, 4 times x and 4 times 1. So it becomes 4x plus 4. Now that we have this, it looks a lot simpler, right? Now it's all just numbers with variables. Now we can actually solve it. So I'm going to erase the top here. Make sure you have it on your notes. Okay, since we have these numbers, we have 9x, okay, that we're going to leave for now. We have 9x. And then we have 9 plus 20, which becomes plus 29, equals 4x plus 4. Now it's just a double-sided equation. Okay, so we're going to try to solve for x. Okay, so we have minus 4. I like to move the 4 over here. Minus 4. So we're left with 9x equals, or 99x equals, let's forget 29. No. So 9x plus, because it's bigger, 25 equals 4x. Since we cannot move the 25 because there's a variable over here, but there's a variable on both sides, we're going to move minus 9x because it was positive. We do the opposite. The reason why I didn't move the 4x was because you have to have something on each side of the equal sign. Okay? If you move the 4x, there's nothing there on one side, so the equation unbalanced itself. So what we did is we moved the 9 instead. Cancels out, we're left with 25 equals 4 minus 9 is negative 5x. Divide by negative 5. So x equals, obviously positive divided by negative is negative. 5 can go into 25 5 times. So our answer is x equals 5, negative 5. Okay. Make sure you have it on your notes. Okay. We're going to do one more just for the practice, because I know it's a little bit of steps. Okay. All right. So now that everybody has this one on their notes, we can actually write another one. Again, we have 2y over 3 minus y plus 3 over 6 equals 2. Okay, again, we can do it one of two ways. We can do 3 first to everything, or we can do it all together. Okay, I will say this. If you do it together, it's going to be a little more complicated, okay? So let's do this by 3, this by 3, and this by 3, okay? The 3 cancels out here and here. We're left with 2y minus 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 3, okay? I'm going to put it in parentheses. Plus 9 over 6 equals 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? Again, we're going to do this by 6, the middle one by 6, and the last one by 6. So it means that 2 times 6 is 12y. The 6 here cancels out. So we're left with minus, parentheses, 3y plus 9 equals 6 times 6, 36. Okay? We got rid of everything on the bottom. Now, there's a 1 here in front of this negative. So all this is going to do is not change the number, but change the sign on the inside of the parentheses. So we're left with 12y minus 3y minus 9 equals 36. The reason why is there's a 1 that we distribute. Negative 1 times 3y is negative 3y. Negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. Okay? Again, we're going to combine like terms. 12 minus 3 is 9y. Since the 12 is positive, your answer is positive. Minus 9 equals 36. We add 9 to both sides. We're left with 9y equals 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So we have 45. Okay? And then finally, if we're trying to solve for that y, we divide, right, by that 9 to get rid of it. So we divide by 9. That means that y equals, hint, hint, 5. Positive because both numbers are positive, so y equals 5. Okay? Again, notice that I got rid of the bottom numbers. I got rid of the first one. I multiplied everything by 3 on the top. But since we already had a 3 on the bottom here, they cancel out here. That's why I didn't do 2y times 3. On the next one, we multiply by 6. Since we already had a 6 here, I didn't do 6 times y plus times 3. 6 cancel out here. And so on, okay? Remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side of the equal sign. All right, guys. So now that you have this one also on your notes, here's your assignment for today. All right, your assignment for today is something obviously similar, okay? So 4x minus 3 over 5, okay, minus 4 minus 2x over 3 equals 1, okay? Again, it's similar to the one I just did. And I guess I'm going to give you guys one more just for the practice of it. We're going to have x over x minus 2 plus 4 over x minus 2 equals 10. Okay, that's your second one. Okay, make sure you submit your answers as soon as you're done watching the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, guys. I'm here to help. Okay, remember, so submit your answers and your notes as well. Okay, submit your answers as soon as you're done watching the video, and I'll be waiting for your email.